Hi everyone, Cars 2.0 here, and today I got something very special for you guys today. I just scored a NASCAR from the most famous NASCAR driver of all time, Dale Earnhardt. Yeah, you got that right. Dale Earnhardt, the most famous NASCAR driver of all time. And I'll tell a simple thing and about him. One of the things, and of course, he is a car guy, like all of us. And I learned a few small details. Before I get to the other ones. One of the things is he is a team owner. You guys know what team he was? And let me know in the comments below. Now, let's get started with the rest of the stuff. Dale Earnhardt was born on April 29, 1951 in Kannapolis, North Carolina. He died in February 18, 2001. He was 49 years old. When he got into a terrible crash. I'm pretty sure YouTube actually has that video. I'll just take a look at that one. And soon. But you guys have to know what happened, let me know also. Now let's continue on. His cause of death, a skull fracture sustained from a 21 Daytona 500 crash. Probably a deadly one though. Now let's continue on. His height is 6 feet 1 inch, and which means he's tall. His weight is 195 pounds. That means he's likely heavier than most of us who's watching this video. Alright, now we're gonna get to the awards. He was nominated in multiple awards. One of them, he was in the 2006 International Motorsports Hall of Fame. And he's also notified in the 2010 NASCAR Hall of Fame as well. He was also dedicated in the 1979 Winston Cup Series Rookie of the Year award. He's also dedicated to the 2001 Winston Cup Series Most Popular Driver. He was named as one of the NASCAR's 50th as greatest drivers in 1980. That was in 1998. In 2002, he was dedicated in the Motorsports Hall of Fame inductee. There's quite a lot of awards for this kind of guy. And now, his career. He ran 676 races in over 27 years, which is quite a lot. Wow. In 2001, he finished first. But his best finishes are in 1980, 1986, 1987, 1990, 1991, 1993, and 1994. With that, it'll be 7 best finishes. His first race is in the 1975 World 600 in Charlotte at the Charlotte Motor Speedway. His final race is in the 2001 Daytona 500 in Daytona, Florida. We already know what happened to Dale Earnhardt, because I already told you that part earlier in the video. And now, here Its first win in 1979 is the Southeastern 500, also known as Bristol International Speedway. And his last win in 2000 is the Western 500 in Talladega. Now, just like you know, Talladega and Daytona, those tracks get a lot of cautions. It's described with KKB, a NASCAR YouTuber. And you probably will see all the those cautions that came out from those two tracks. Alright, the next, part of the final of things. Here we go. Dale Earnhardt had won 76 races, a lot of them. In the top 10 sector, he had 448. He had placed in the top 10 428 times. And the polls 22 times. It's quite a lot. You ask me. Alright, and now it's time to get this thing unopened and get a closer look at this car and what made this and what made this one so famous. It's out. Alright, here we go. Here it is, you guys. I'm now holding a car of Dale Earnhardt. There's a lot of work being done on this one. And yeah, the Chevy in my car, this is what he drives in NASCAR. This is a beautiful car. Now I'm glad I had this one in the collection. Alrighty, guys, this is now into a great unboxing video. And I'll see you guys in our next unboxing video, which is coming up next. See you later.